Hi everyone, I am Megan from Modern Genealogy, and I'm so excited to be finally offering this course to you. This has been in the works for almost 2 years, and I have been honing it down to just the most important parts to teach you how to find your ancestors. So this course is the best for people who have a bit of a handle on using FamilySearch.org. Maybe you already have a lot of your family tree in there. Maybe you have even attached some records or been able to find some sources for your ancestors, but you're just feeling a little stuck. Maybe you want to take it to the next step. You want to learn how to actually research your ancestors instead of just attaching record hints that pop up in Family Search. Now that is great, but there's so much more to family history work. I am going to show you the process for researching your ancestors, from choosing a family to research to inputting that information into Family Search. By the end of 7 weeks, you will have a solid understanding of how to search for records for your ancestors, how to do actual research, and how to analyze those records and attach those sources and find missing family members. I know that as you work on this, you will feel your ancestors nearby. They will be cheering you on as you partake in this course. So please sign up. Let me know if you have any questions at hello@moderngenealogy.ca, or you can visit me on Instagram at moderngenealogy and send me a DM there. I would love to hear from you, and I would love for you to join me in this course.